Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best outdoor string lights that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brighttech Ambience LED waterproof Edison bulbs. If you want something more rustic and vintage but equally as efficient and useful, these are an excellent option to consider. These are one of the best weatherproof outdoor string lights, meaning they are worth all your attention. Though it's a great set for events and celebrations, many believe these lights are way better for relaxing and enjoying in your backyard. The atmosphere is achieved thanks to the vintage Edison bulbs and their exposed filaments that give the nostalgic and warm glow. This antique outdoor lighting is primarily decorative, but they are bright enough to illuminate most areas. You can freely dine or even read under them without a glare. That's why they're considered to be among the best outdoor string bulb lights. Because the lights are dimmable, they make a great addition to vintage theme weddings, reunions, birthdays or any other parties. The lights are created to endure all kinds of weather and wear. They are all listed, waterproof, and feature the WeatherTight technology. This allows them to withstand rainy and damp conditions and climates. The cord is rubbery and flexible, so you can work them around trees and bushes for decoration. It's thicker than a standard cable, which means you can leave them outdoors for an entire year. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the MPOW Solar decorative string lights. If your yard is too big and there's no way that the string lights could reach the power outlet, there's another solution for you. MPOW are one of the best rated outdoor solar string lights, and for a reason. These are quality, effective and versatile, which are only a few reasons why people opt for them. The lights are waterproof and heat resistant. Each light is IP64 waterproof, so you can freely leave them outside in all kinds of weather. No moisture, rain or snow can damage them. The string comes with 100 LED lights that have a warm white glow to them. Something about the way they shine makes them look like stars when it's completely dark outside. On that note, you can use them to decorate your garden, patio, yard, gate, porch, and pretty much any other part of your house. These are also great as Christmas and wedding lights. Each light is connected to the ultra-thin 33 feet long cord. This flexibility combined with the solar energy allows you to be as creative with them as possible. Put them around picture frames, trees, or in mason jars for beautiful celebration decor. At number 3, we have the VMANO Oh Oh Party Decoration Christmas Lights. Looking for solar lights to use all year round? The VMANO Oh Oh lights are super long, versatile and durable, meaning you don't have to take them off once you hang them where you want. The string is about 72 feet long with 200 LED lights. Each has 8 working modes you can change depending on the occasion and preference. They are ideal for weddings, Christmas, family gatherings and other celebrations because of their starry design. Once lit up, the lights look like stars in the sky. They feature 2 switches and 8 modes that give a relaxing glow to your outdoors as well as indoors. Because they're powered by solar energy, you can put them up pretty much anywhere you like. This versatility is great for large yards and areas where you maybe don't have as many power sockets. The fact that they don't need electric power to work makes them eco-friendly while helping you to save some money. On top of that, the lights will shut off when the sun rises, and light up when the sun sets. Precisely, you don't even need to touch them once you hang them unless you want to hang them somewhere else. At number 2, we have the Gdealer 4-pack fairy lights with remote control. Another great battery-powered set of lights is the Gdealer pack of 4. In total, this is 4 by 16.4 feet of string with 50 LED bulbs attached to each. The string is copper wire, durable and lightweight. At first glance, they look much like the basic Christmas lights, so why so many people like them? These are some of the most convenient lights on the market. Though they are battery operated, there's no need for power sockets. This means you can hang them up any place you like regardless of whether there's electricity or not. However, batteries aren't included. You also get a small IP67 waterproof box. This allows you to transport the lights easily and without fear of breakage. The box is about 2 times 2.7 inches big, so it fits in all places with ease. The remote control has 13 keys that turn the lights on or off as well as adjust the brightness. It also features a timing function which is great for if you often forget to turn the lights off. The versatility comes through the many modes you can choose from. Their soft glow gives you the ultimate relaxing ambiance, but there are other modes, too, more suitable for upbeat parties. They look like Christmas lights but have a much wider application for both indoor and outdoor space. Being that the set is waterproof, you can leave it outside for as long as you want. Hang them up, and you'll have your own starry night. And finally at number 1, we have the TaoTronics LED string outdoor and indoor lights. These also come on a wire, so they are quite easy to maneuver with. The cable is bendable and keeps its shape with ease so you can wrap it around anything. They are UL 588, and TÜVIS approved for safe and secure use both indoors and outdoors. The overall design is quite basic since they resemble Christmas lights the most. However, it doesn't mean that it limits their use in any way. They are durable and reliable for all year-round use. If you're looking for eco-friendly lights, these might be one of the best choices. Much like other lights from TaoTronics, these LED ones are hanging off of the insulated copper wire. This means that the overall temperature is rather low so you can touch them even after hours of use. One setback appears to be the fact that these aren't connectable. You get 33 feet of cord featuring 100 LED lights, but that's all. However, that doesn't necessarily have to be a bad thing, it just depends on your needs and preference. Plan and measure the area you're looking to illuminate before you purchase in order to be sure they will be enough to cover the desired space. Lights, as well as the copper wire, are all waterproof so they can operate in the rain, too. Plus, they are quite tiny, so you can hide them behind or under stuff to create fun and exciting lighting effect. The safety is guaranteed with UL certification for secure use. There are no limits to what you can create with the lights. Hang them up, or wrap them around plants, trees, furniture, etc. They are an ideal Christmas decoration, but you can still use them all year round to brighten and personalize your indoor and outdoor decoration. Plus, try hanging the string lights over pool. The light over water will create a romantic and unforgettable effect appropriate for all kinds of occasions from wedding receptions to relaxing after a long day. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.